Hi kids, for today's coordinate plane activity, you are going to tell me where each of these fish are located on this plane. So if I look at the red fish, remember I have to get to the elevator before I can go up the elevator, or get to the stairs before I go up the stairs. So these are all negative numbers, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to see that he's at -5. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bold this, and I'm going to put my parentheses, and I'm going to put -5, comma. Then I'm going to look and see how far up he is, and it's positive because we're going up, and he looks like he's at 7. So I'm just going to put 7. We don't put a plus sign in front of it. Now let's look at the purple fish. If I look at the purple fish, he is at 3, +3, but he didn't go up or down. So I would write that 3, 0. Now let's look at the green fish. If I look at the green fish, he's in quadrant 3, so he's going to be a negative number. So if I look at this, he's at -3, then I go down, I went down -4. Do you see how I went down 1, 2, 3, 4? So I'm going to write -3, -4. Just like that. Then we're going to see where our blue fish is. I feel like I'm Dr. Seuss today. Red fish, two fish, blue fish. Okay, so I hope you guys know that book. If I look at the blue fish, I have to go over first. So he's at +1 and +7. So I'm going to put 1, 7. My last one is my yellow or gold fish. And if I look at that one, it's +8, -7. And I want to remind you that coordinates are pretty important, because if you are using any kind of GPS, they use a coordinate system. The whole entire Earth is built on latitude and longitude, which is just like the coordinate plane, but in a global version of it. So whenever you put in an address into a GPS or Google Maps or Waze or whatever you use, that is what happens.